Hey, little art geniuses! Today we're going to quickly and easily conjure up a sweet carrot on paper. Grab your pens, whatever you want, and get started. Have fun! You did a great job. You are real little artists. Now let's color our carrot. I used classic colors, orange and green. What colors do you choose for your carrot? Write it in the comments. And if you like the video, then leave a like and subscribe. Then you will be the first to know when a new video comes out. Great! If you like this, then give me a thumbs up or watch my other videos or subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time. See you soon and stay creative!